How to create a DoorDash account. Now to create a DoorDash account, what you first need to do is go to DoorDash. Let's just search it on our Google and then click on the first link that you see. Now my browser's verifying me. Now there you will see an option called sign up and sign in. For now what we need to do is we need to sign up. After you click on sign up, you will see your sign up page and you will need to enter your credentials. Now here put in your first name and then put in your last name. Then put in your email and all you need to do is put in your mobile number. Here you need to choose your country code. Make sure you choose the right one. And after you choose that, you will just be able to sign up. After you sign up, you will be able to log in. Other than that, you might be able to sign in using your Google account. As you can see here, I'm getting an option to sign in with my Google. After you sign in with your Google, the process is very similar. You will be able to just go to your home page and then start using DoorDash. So that is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like at the end. And stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. Bye bye.